Hey everyone, let's make some money today. Today is currently July 6th. It is currently 9:26 a.m. here in the morning, and I'm going to go over the technical analysis on exactly what I'm looking at in the market right now as we sit. And then if an opportunity presents itself, I do want to end up entering into a trade over here and then keep you guys posted on this month exactly the win to loss ratio and also just where we're sitting and what my overall analysis is. So you guys, to start off with, when you go to simple market metrics, I want you guys to go to the settings here. This is 100. This is going to populate the last 100 candles on your chart, and it's going to tell you if you're either trading in a bullish or bearish market momentum. So right now, you guys can tell we are heading in a bearish market momentum, but there's a key factor that I'm looking at right now. Do you guys notice when we get into this top red section, this is a great spot in the market to seeing that we've had a reversal, but this is a spot where we could actually see a continuation to the downside. So since we're overall trading in a bear market trend, I want to have sell signals illuminated, and this is just going to give us the best spots in the market. So let's take off the buys and only have the sell signals on. Now with that, let's go and take a look at something else up here. You can tell on our dashboard, we end up getting into this top red section. This is where you can have a lot of selling pressure in the market. When this starts to flow back out of the market in an overall green band, which means bull market momentum, that's where you want to be staying within trades. This is another indication that you could actually see a reversal to the downside. Now there's an added benefit that I want you guys to either wait for or just make sure there's a confirmation, is these green and red dots. I would like to see on here, and we may get this in a moment, either a red dot or a sell signal to give us confirmation that the trend is actually going to be going to the downside. Right now, we are not necessarily just yet. So I don't want to be looking for a short position just at this moment since the metrics are not yet aligned. So what you'll end up seeing is something similar to this over here. You see how we had all three of our metrics in combination with this sell signal? You had the money momentum heading to the downside here. Money was shifting out of the market. That red dot was a key EMA crossover right at this area. In our middle band, switching over, you guys can tell this went solid red. If you guys look at that entire area, throughout the entire time, we actually saw a decrease in price. And you could have actually played it down here to this area of 4422 after being able to enter in at candle close at 4436. So quite a few points, probably I think about 12 points there in the market, just on the 2-minute time frame. So you guys, in a moment here, I do want to look into actually getting into a trade here just so you guys can see me take a trade live on the account, just keep it transparent with you guys and just show you exactly what I'm looking at each day, just to see if we can pull out a couple $100 in the market. Again, you guys, this is on the 2-minute time frame. This is where I like scalping the market. You can use higher time frames, 5-minute, 1 hour, 15-minute, whatever you guys like to do. I just like the 2-minute time frame because I can literally just sit on a chart, open it up. I literally just got done with breakfast. We have actually family over from England, and I can just now look at this chart and wait for position to be playing out. And then with you guys watching me live here, you can see exactly what I'm waiting for in the metrics that I'm looking at. Now, I had a comment from another trader here just recently I was talking to. Is like, why don't you show videos when you're doing this on right when a buy signal happens or right when a sell signal happens? Why don't you enter in? And you guys, the reality is you're not going to go on your computer every single day, and you're not just going to be like, all right, I'm on the computer, perfect, I got a sell signal in the minute after, and then I can enter in. Yes, you are going to have some of those times where you could have literally woken up this morning right before market open at 624. When this went off at 634, you could have entered in and you could have made money to the downside. Yes, you're absolutely right. You could have done that. But I want to show realistic trading. I don't want to just get on here, and this is the transparency of doing live videos with you guys, is this is not made up. I have no idea what's happening in the future. This is not a playback. This is live right now. So if I don't enter into a trade, it's because I don't want to give you guys bad habits. And I don't want you to just get into something just to say, oh, I've won another trade. And that's where at the end of this video, if we end up entering in a trade here, I'm actually going to go over to the account over here on Tradeovate, and I'm going to show you guys the actual win and loss ratio. So if I lose a trade on here, you're going to be able to see it. And I just want to show you guys how you can be more successful with trading in the market. Before we get into this real quick, I want to actually let you guys know you can get all these metrics that I use right now. This is lifetime access. Currently holding a sale on this. This is typically $199. It's only $99 for lifetime. We have 11 5-star ratings, great comments from our customers. This is going to go over all the metrics and indicators that we have: advanced dashboard, advanced linear regression, support and resistance, and also multiple time frame EMA indicator. But the ones that I really like to be able to focus on are the linear regression and advanced dashboard, just since they are so powerful. So go ahead and head over to Simple Market Metrics, or just click the link in the description, add to cart, and you can literally be trading with these metrics in the next 5 minutes. So you guys, right now, currently still on this chart, we are still heading in an overall upper direction. And right now, I have not actually seen a very good spot in the market to be looking to go short just yet. I'll actually stay on this video for a little bit longer to see if we can actually pull out a trade here. But I also want to show you guys, if you get on a live video like this and you don't have a position set up, you don't need a trade. A lot of traders are going to be looking to something every single day. It's like, I want to get on a chart and I want to make money right now. That is not the reality with a lot of things in the market. If you don't have a setup that is confirmed in your bias opinion and all your metrics are not in line together, it's okay just to not trade. Another rule that I have for you guys is if there's going to be big news, FOMC meetings, or just any big events in the world going on, you don't have to trade. And I actually advise a lot of my traders don't trade on those big events because news events, anything that's more fundamental and not technical, can actually persuade things. I don't care if you have the most amazing indicator system in the world. This is obviously metrics that I've developed myself. Nothing's 100% accurate. And I'll be the first to say that. Even though we have great signals that I'm going to show you guys here scalping the market, not always, not every day is going to be a winning day. I'm not perfect. I'm not a robot. I am human. Even with emotions, with trading, emotions are big. You're going to lose some trades. But I want to show you guys that you can actually make consistent trades more than you're losing trades in the market using these metrics and just following some simple principles that we have here on this channel. So you guys, right now, we are still looking at this 443.850 over on our Tradeovate account here. We are still heading to this upside. Now, in this trade, let's just say we entered into a long position here. You could actually look at closing this out or very close to this area of resistance. So you could actually run this back up to a spot here of 4445.75, which if you look directly left, was the strongest area of resistance in the market. So the next question you could ask me right now is, all right, so since this is in this trend and you're looking to possibly go to a level of resistance, why aren't you looking to go long in the market? Well, the fact is you actually could keep going long in the market until your metrics are confirmed in the other direction. If you're more of an advanced trader, yes, you can do that. And you can actually tell right now, you see how our money is actually flowing back up into the market. This is a strong indication that a continuation further to the upside first is very possible before actually heading to the downside. So it's not something I like to teach on this channel because I want you guys to wait for confirmation. But yes, if you are a little bit more advanced and you're able to read these charts and to look at metrics in the market, you are able to stay within trades a bit longer. Because again, overall, if you guys take a look at our middle band here, this is actually solid green, meaning bull market momentum. And our money is also staying above this 50 line. See how that just jumped up there even more? That was a great spot to be looking to go even longer in the market. So you guys, it's looking like right now that I don't see a setup currently to the downside. So I want to actually just either not trade on this one right now or do a video a little bit later here to show you guys exactly what I want to do with entering on a trade. Because again, you don't have to trade every single day. And right now on overall trading with a bull market trend, I don't see anything set up at this current moment to be able to look for a short position in here. So even though we didn't take a trade today on this video, I hope you guys found a lot of education and you're able to pull out a lot of knowledge in the market to be able to either know what to look for or what not to look for when you're trading, because you don't have to trade every day. And once you get the confirmed bias opinion in a certain direction, I want you to enter in with this with knowledge and with a lot of education behind it, and be certain that when you're in, you're going to make a profitable trade to the downside and you're going to become very successful. Thank you guys so much for following this channel. Please do like and follow so you can guys see live updates and videos every single day. Thank you.